Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to One School. In this video I'm gonna show you how to convert a Word file to PDF. So you can see that I'm right now on my Microsoft Word, and you can see that here is a simple document. So I'm gonna shape the document. So go to file and click on the save as, and we can choose here file format. So you can see that here I have PDF option. So who does have not PDF option, so you can save the file as a Word document. So I'm gonna save as Word, and that's it. Now if you want to convert your doc file to PDF, so you should go on browser, and you should type here Word to PDF, and you can go any of this site. So I'm gonna use ilovepdf.com, and you can see here convert Word to PDF. It's handy task. Just select Word file and then choose your file. So I'm gonna take my file from here and open. That's it. Now you can see that here is a convert PDF option. So I'm gonna hit on the convert button, and then you can see that it's ready. Word file has been converted to PDF. That's it, we are done. Just hit on the download button, and you can see that I already downloaded that. Now open that, and here is our PDF file. So we are done. So that's the videos for today, how to convert Word file to PDF. So if you like these videos, please do a thumbs up, and stay tuned with One School. Bye bye.